Hello everyone and welcome to my PHP tutorial series. Today's video we are going to discuss a very important concept of PHP of abstract classes. Many people get a little confused about abstract classes and abstract methods. So in today's video we will understand them in a very simple way using real life example and critical PHP code. We will learn that an abstract class is why it is used, how to create one, and how abstract method work inside a abstract class. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with today's topic. What is abstract class? An abstract class is abstract object-oriented programming is a class that cannot be initiated on its own and serves as base blueprint for other classes. It is designed to define common behavior, property, and method that child derived class must either inherit it or implement it. Okay, so abstract class normally self no create instant, no create object. Okay, it instance create by child class, inherited class. Okay, so abstract class have some rule. First, at least one method will be abstract method. Okay, and normal method will be accept inside of abstract class, and every abstract method implement in child class means inherited class. If you not implement in child class, error come. Okay, not run it. So must implement in child class. Another, you can declare public, private, protected variable and property in abstract class. Only private variable বা property not access in child class. Okay, and remain public and protected variable property accessible by child class. Okay, child class must be implement uh, abstract method which from come from abstract class means parent class. Okay, so go that is understand by uh, using code. Okay, first open code editor. Okay, so code discuss. This is abstract class. Okay, name is payment. Okay, that is abstract class, and inside of abstract class this abstract method pay. Okay, why is abstract method? Because before write abstract. Okay, if you write abstract before any method, that will be abstract method. If you write abstract before class, that will be abstract class. Okay, inside of abstract class I also accept normal class, normal method. Okay, normal method acceptable. Okay, so both method available in this class. One is abstract method, another is normal method. Okay, an abstract method, one parameter pass, dollar amount. Okay, that is abstract class payment. Next, below code. Okay, below code this. Below code, there have another class, normal class, inherited by parent class. Okay, so parent class, everything's come to credit payment class. Okay, you can see the pay method. Pay method uh, also have in parent class, abstract class, that is pay, and the pay method, abstract method, just only implement, not only declare, not implement. Okay, only declare, just implement it by child class. Child class is credit card payment, that is implement. Okay, implement using amount parameter. Okay, and echo paid amount, this amount. Okay, and credit card. Okay, this is another child class. Okay, and also another child class, I write it. Okay, another child class is UPI payment. So UPI payment extend by parent class, that is abstract class. Okay, this this is pay method, and that is uh, implement in this site, and you know already declare in abstract class inside. Okay, and normal UPI payment inside, it is implement. Okay, then UPI payment and credit payment normal class create a instance. The UPI payment create instance using new keyword, and pay method initiated, and credit card payment also create instant, and also pay method uh, initiated. So two output come in this code. Okay, one will be UPI through, one will be credit card through. UPI code output will be 1000, and credit card payment output will be 500. So go, what will be output in browser. Okay, two output come. One is paid 1000 from UPI. Okay, and two output, some same line come. Okay, so write BR. Okay, so we'll be back with output. Okay, first from UPI and second from credit card. So both output come from. Okay, this is our example of abstract class. Okay, you can put this inside of abstract class. Okay, public, private, protected variable or property. Okay, so this is full abstract class. Okay, and another remind it, private property not accept in child class. Okay, child cannot access private property of abstract class. Okay, only public and protected property can access by child class. Okay, so it is important, especially payment gateway. When you implement payment gateway, that's time it is very important. Okay, okay, understand? Complete abstract class. Thank you.